A lovely.
A lovely.
Lovely. No, it's got to be heavy L. Lovely.
Lovely.
Your tongue needs to be big and fat in your mouth. Like it's like a big fat. It's like a big fat sort of sponge that's filled with water. But it's big and flat inside your mouth. So lovely. And you're going to make it go right into the roof of your mouth, and the sound is just going to come through the top of the roof of your mouth. So lovely.
Lovely.
That's better. Oh, it's too terrible.
Oh, it's too terrible.
Terrible. Bull.
Terrible.
Bull. You don't want to go for terrible. The king terrible. Oh, it's terrible. No, you don't want to go terrible. You want to go terrible.
Terrible.
Terrible. He was.
He was.
Was. So make sure you write not was, it's was. He was. So write that how you think it sounds to you. Was. He was. He was a real artistic guy.
He was a real artistic guy.
Beautiful southern home.
Beautiful southern home.
Beautiful.
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 Yeah, a beautiful. So you kind of want to go for a beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful?
Beautiful.
I don't know. How do you hear it? Beautiful. Beautiful.
I just want to put the A in there.
We'll take it out. You've got to write it how you hear it, because I hear it differently to obviously you. So beautiful southern home.
Beautiful southern home.
My sister Veronica and I had this double act.
My sister Veronica and I had this double act.
Double act. Act. So you need to get that big act. Act. And Veronica. Yeah.
Veronica.
My sister Veronica.
My sister Veronica.
And I had this double act.
And I had this double act.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 2 kind of starts to, can you see my face? 2. It's
two.
like the word you.
2.
2.
2.
And then you. Obviously it's not two, but it's just that whole 2. So you're starting out and then pushing the word out of your mouth. So the word you and 2 is kind of obviously similar. I'd give anything to bring him back.
I'd give anything to bring him back.
Bring him back. Perfect.